Hurricane Florence, when it came, we had a river coming down our street, strong winds blowing shingles away, and we were out of power for like maybe 4 or 5 days.
You couldn't even get down in this part of the town because of the water. There was water everywhere in Lumberton. People were running on boats. They were riding boats on the streets. My name is Annie Gavin, and I live in Lumberton, North Carolina. Hurricane Florence damaged my roof and parts of my floors in the home.
My name is Anthony Roberts. I live in Elizabethtown, North Carolina. When the storm came, it just ripped away the roof, the shingles, and did a lot of damage to the floors and stuff, and I know I couldn't afford to fix it.
When Hurricane Florence hit North Carolina, it was really a devastating time. But community action, we knew what to do. We knew to step in and what type of resources these individuals would need. My name is Erica Jones-Whitaker, and I am the Chief Executive Officer of Southeastern Community Action Partnership. So the main purpose of Southeastern is simply to provide resources to low-income individuals. Our goal is primarily to help them become self-sufficient.
My name is Kathleen Lowe Jacobs. I am the Community Service Block Grant Director for Southeastern Community Action Partnership. Currently, the Community Service Block Grant Program has 3 grants going on. We have our Self-Sufficiency Grant, which is an ongoing grant that allows people to become self-sufficient through employment. We also have a CARES Act grant going on currently, which was given to us because of COVID. And currently, we have the grant that is assisting with Hurricane Florence, which is the NC Relief Grant. We were able to provide people with major repairs to their homes, some minor repairs. We've also replaced appliances, assisted people with food.
The Southeastern community was very helpful to me. They fixed my roof, and I'm really pleased with the job that they've done.
They fixed my roof, they fixed my kitchen floor, they put a new hot water tank in, you know. They were good at what they did.
My name is Mariana Polk Stewart, and I am the Director of the Office of Economic Opportunity under the Department of Health and Human Services, the state of North Carolina. The Community Services Block Grant is funding appropriated by Congress to alleviate the conditions and causes of poverty within communities. The Block Grant dollars, in its flexibility, allows individuals to stay in their homes. North Carolina is notorious for flooding and for hurricanes, but it doesn't negate that the individuals that grow up in these areas, that are in these flood areas, want to continue to stay within the area.
This is my hometown, and I love my community, and I love where I live.
It's just a joyful thing to see the result of something that the federal government gave us the funding to do, and it's just so fulfilling. It's almost as though, you know, I didn't write the check, but the check was written, and now their home is back to where it needs to be.
My home is safer now. I can walk on my kitchen floor without worrying about putting my foot through the floor. So I'm glad they came to my assistance.
Produced by the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services.